Let's have a look at how the IFS Digital Signature Framework is integrated with shop order operation sign-off. IFS Digital Signature Framework has been developed in accordance with ETSIE N 319132-1 and -2 standards, providing a secure work sign-off solution that enables significant efficiency gains, improves compliance, and enhances security while promoting paperless operation. In this video, a technician, Chris Scott, logged into the shop floor workbench to sign off several subtasks. Work guideline sign-off facilitates bulk sign-offs and actions, reducing manual effort and streamlining operations. Signature authentication validates the employee's skill to the task performed, ensuring the right person has performed the right task, enhancing efficiency. Digital certificates generated and signature authentication enforcement provides layers of security to prevent tampering with records, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of the data. Digital signatures offer improved records management capabilities, including internal and external storage options, audit trails for tracking changes, and easy retrieval of information when needed. They also enable easier review processes, the ability to revoke sign-offs if necessary, and streamline the redoing and reviewing of tasks as needed. In summary, the IFS Digital Signature solution for aviation streamlines operations, enhances data security, and improves efficiency through bulk record handling, seamless process governance, and effective data management. These enhancements ensure reliable task management and robust record protection.